Welcome back to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast, your go-to space for everything maintenance, innovation, and industrial efficiency. I'm Bruce, your host, and today we're diving into a hot topic, the top 5 features to look for in CMMS software in 2025. And with me today is someone who lives and breathes this stuff. Alex, our resident expert in maintenance management and IoT. Alex, great to have you back.
Thanks, Bruce. Always excited to be here, especially when we're talking about the future of maintenance technology.
All right, let's kick it off. What's number 1 on your list?
Number 1 has to be predictive maintenance powered by AI and machine learning. We have moved past reactive and even preventive models. With AI, CMMS tools can now analyze sensor data, spot early warning signs, and predict failures before they happen.
That sounds like a game changer. Can you give us an example?
Sure. Imagine a motor that vibrates unusually. Traditional systems flag it after it breaks. But with AI-driven CMMS, it recognizes abnormal vibration patterns from historical IoT data and sends an alert weeks before a breakdown. That's thousands of dollars saved in downtime and repairs.
Incredible. What's second?
IoT device integration. In 2025, if your CMMS doesn't talk to your equipment, it's outdated. With smart sensors on assets, real-time data like temperature, RPM, energy usage, or pressure flows directly into your CMMS. This eliminates manual checks and makes maintenance truly data-driven.
So it's all about closing the feedback loop between operations and systems?
Exactly. You're getting a 24/7 digital eye on your equipment.
What about field technicians? Any must-haves there?
Absolutely. A mobile-first interface is critical. Today's workforce expects a seamless app experience, like Uber, but for maintenance. Field techs should access, update, and close work orders on the go, even offline.
Offline access, that's important, especially in remote facilities.
Right. Plus, features like voice-to-text, QR code scanning, and image uploads reduce paperwork and speed up field reporting.
Let's talk about operations. What should managers look for?
Smart scheduling and workflow automation. A modern CMMS should automatically assign work orders based on technician availability, skill level, and proximity. It should also trigger notifications, escalations, or even reassignments based on SLAS.
So it's almost like having an AI-based maintenance dispatcher?
Exactly. And it dramatically reduces delays and errors caused by manual planning.
And rounding off the top 5?
Custom dashboards and analytics. Decision makers need visibility, not just raw data, but actionable insights. A good CMMS in 2025 should offer real-time KPIs, trend forecasting, and drill-down capabilities tailored to roles, whether you're a plant manager or maintenance planner.
So we are talking Six Sigma level visibility here?
Exactly. It's the foundation for continuous improvement initiatives like Lean, Kaizen, and TPM.
Wow, predictive maintenance, IoT, mobile-first design, automation, and analytics. That's a powerful stack. Any final thoughts for our listeners, Alex?
Just this, your CMMS is no longer just a tool. It's your digital backbone for operational efficiency. Choosing the right one sets the tone for innovation and reliability across your plant floor.
Well said, Alex. Always a pleasure having you on the show.
Thanks, Bruce.
And to our listeners, if you found value in today's episode, be sure to subscribe and check out Cryotos CMMS, where industrial innovation meets intelligent maintenance. Until next time, stay efficient and stay ahead.